Alright, it's Ray from ProShaper in Charlton, Massachusetts. Tomorrow the February 4-day coach building class starts. Just want to show you a little walk around in the shop here. Got English wheels, we got Italian Maglio, we got a big power hammer, double-headed. We got Trump for shrinking if you want to do the thumbnail shrinking. We got the coolest projects. Look at this 33 packet, all student built. Still needs a lot more attention. We've got another student built project right here. This is a little go-kart project, all aluminum, 050. It was all wire formed by the students. Needs a lot more attention. That'll be on the agenda for any of the students in this 4-day class. We got a lot more English wheels there. English wheels over there. There's welding capacity, machining capacity. We got Bridgeports and lathes, and we've got Harbor Freight English wheels with my enhancement kits on them. Makes them a top adjuster. There's my big yellow wheel. And we got audio visual. We've got videos you can watch, and all kinds of pictures that I showed during the class. All kinds of welding capacity over there, TIG and gas. And I got another little cool go-kart project that was done by the students. This is a really beautiful project. Needs a little tuning and welding. This is the E-type nose I've been doing a YouTube series on. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to make a segment this week. I was just really busy. So if you want to sign up for a ProShaper class, go to ProShaper.com. And the March class has plenty of openings. The April class, May class. Hope to see you soon. It's Ray Shalene. Fred from Quebec City came down to the 4-day ProShaper class. He got help from 4 other students, 5 students total. And we didn't get the panels all totally finished as far as welded and trimmed, but they're all shaped. They might need a little tune-up here and there. This is a 33 Ford fender. He had a fiberglass model to copy. And we made flexible shape patterns and gauges, and everybody had either 0 experience or very, very little experience before in shaping. It's got a lot of compound curves and reverse curves in it. Even got to wire the edge and bead that edge on the outer cheek panel. And it's looking really, really nice. He's coming back and he's going to try to finish it in the second trip. So Fred is very happy.
Yeah, I'm so happy, but I'm sad to quit.
Okay, that's Fred's project.